What's up, boys? So, updated the old bags and wanted to give you guys a tour. So up first I have my Occidental Builders Vest. I believe it's the 2535. Started with this platform and had some extra stuff hanging off of it from Occidental. Didn't like the way it was all dangling and filling. So found these. Trim pouches are the Spruce Systems trim pouch by Brandon Crawford. The reason why I picked them up is their size. It's a smaller bag compared to a lot of the other tool bags. And the thing that's really cool about them is each of the pocket systems are movable. So you can set them up exactly how you want them. You just unscrew your screws and then you can switch that around to here. I can move the pouches on the insides, flip things around. The screw pouch here is extra. This is a prototype that he sent me, and he's planning on making them in the future, but they don't come standard with the pouch system. Great little setup. I love the way it fits. It can carry a lot of weight, but don't really feel it. So yeah, man, it's a nice system. It looks like a lot, especially for cabinet trim work inside, finished houses and all that. But the way the pouches sit drops everything behind me. So I'm not worried about walking through doorways, scratching things up. You do have to be a little bit cognizant of where your bags are at, but I haven't found any issues. And then it keeps the front clean, so you're not worried about rubbing up against cabinets along the front. Getting used to them, it's been super easy. I set them up just like my old Occidental framers. Used to just grabbing everything right where I need it. You guys are interested in picking up a set for yourself, do have links in the bio to the trim pouch. I can throw the Occidental up there as well. Let me know if you guys have any questions about them. Thanks, guys.